Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Elder Engineer Chike Edison Obeke. I'm from Anambra State, Ekulobia to be precise. And I'm here to testify about the greatness of the Lord over my family, especially to my son, Wisdom. He's my first son. He started when Wisdom was about 6, getting to 7 years. His mom sent him to pick something from outside the balcony, and he came back blind. He just opened the door, stepped out, and cried and shouted. The mom had to lead him back into the house, not seeing. And he just came back from school, and it happened. So we were all amazed. We started running around, taking him to hospitals in Enugu and wherever we were directed. We did everything possible. And prayerfully, God intervened, and he got a lot better then. So he started wearing glasses. And fast forward to why we are here. December 2023, December 18 precisely, 2023, I was in Abuja, and my wife had to go pick him up from the school because they vacated same day or so. So my wife picked him up and took him straight to see his eye doctor in Enugu at the Church Hospital in GRA Enugu. So it happened that she called me on the phone and told me that the doctor had prescribed a transplant, a cornea transplant for my son. If not, he's not going to see. Because as at then, he lost his left eye completely. He doesn't see with the left eye. And the right eye, by December 18 of that same 2023, the right eye, which he was using to see, got to 50% sight ability. I don't know what to use medically. He could only see things that are close to him from the right eye. And that's where we started. We started running up and down, and we were told that it's only 2 hospitals in Nigeria. As at then, it was 1 hospital. We were told it's Eye Foundation in Lagos, and we need to visit there. We started making calls and making contacts to find out what we're going to do. And by January 2024, we were told that a new hospital appeared in Abuja and they can do it. That's why we are here in Abuja. Now, I brought Wisdom to Abuja and to my pastor here, I discussed this issue with him. He told me a story that happened few weeks back. The story had to do with his daughter, who was sick, just malaria, and was taken to the hospital and surprisingly was diagnosed of heart disease, and must need a surgery immediately. So all the diagnoses confirmed what was happening, and he believed God and went into prayers, and after the prayers took the girl back to the hospital, and the whole incidences were no longer there. The doctors were surprised. How did it happen? And he knew it was God that did it. When he shared that testimony with me, we agreed by faith that should also be our cause in this matter. Because I had no other reason. The monies involved for the transplant is so much. So we believed God and prayed 2 Sundays ago. I can't remember what the date is, but just 2 Sundays ago. Yesterday is 2 days ago was Sunday, just the upper Sunday. So we came to church. He prayed for him, and we left. We went to see the doctor on Monday. He couldn't read. At the hospital, he couldn't read. And the doctors did everything possible. Nothing happened. He was billed for a cornea crosslink on the right eye, at least to save the right eye, which is the one that he's using right now to see. They prescribed the cornea crosslink, which is actually why we came, to stop the right eye from depreciating, so that we can save money for the left eye for a transplant. To the glory of God, to cut all the story short, on Wednesday, we got back. We were billed for the cornea crosslink. We came back on Wednesday for the cornea crosslink. They tested him Wednesday morning. That was after the Sunday prayers. We came back on Wednesday for the cornea crosslink. He started reading with the left eye, the supposed dead eye. he started reading. Like joke, we thought it was just a joke. They took him back to all the test machines and confirmed that the eye had picked up a little bit. So they had a cross-link on the right eye and asked us to come back on Thursday. We came back Thursday, lo and behold, he could see at least 50% from the left eye, the supposed dead eye. And nothing, as at this time, nothing has been done on the left eye. We only came for a cross-link on the right eye. And the cross-link had taken place the previous day. So he started seeing from the left eye. And that's a great miracle. Surprisingly, yesterday he was discharged from the hospital. And when the doctor looked at him before discharging him, he exclaimed, I was asking, what is this? The left eye picked up, he could see, he could read, and he could interpret whatever he's seeing from the left eye. And the same thing he sees on the right eye is almost the same thing he sees on the left eye. That's a miracle. And nobody else could have done this except the God of now, the God that still proves himself worthy of my praise. I don't know why I deserve this miracle, but God knows why he gave it to me. And I thank him and I remain grateful to God for this miracle.